Hey there, beautiful people. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. I want you guys to be mindful when you're going on these interviews in different places, and make sure that you are being careful with everyone in that environment. You never know who you're talking to or who's talking to you. I'll give you a prime example. I saw a video of this lady in the elevator with her daughter. I think she was coming back. I don't know if it was in a hospital or some treatment center or whatever. And her daughter was is there because she needs a transplant. I think a kidney transplant or something like that. And then a man walked in the elevator. And because he's of a different race, she pulls her daughter closer to her and looks at the man all suspiciously. They're in the elevator, they're riding, and they both get off at the same stop, at the same on the same floor. And she was walking towards the office, and then the guy sits down in the same area of the office where she's going to. She goes in the office, and then the administrator or whoever it is over the donor transplant unit, says to her, we have some awesome news. We found a donor. We found a kidney for your daughter. And she's like, oh my gosh. She starts crying, and the daughter starts crying, and then the same guy that she was clinging and looking suspiciously to walks in the room, and he introduces himself. Hi, my name is so-and-so. The kidney that you're going to be receiving belonged to my daughter. She passed away X number of days ago. So sometimes when you're in different environments, you may be entertaining angels, or in the areas of career, that might have been her boss, the person that's going to interview her, that she could have seen and not known, and making assumptions based on the fact that he's a different race from her. Be very careful in professional spaces. You have no idea who you may be entertaining or who you may be saying hello to or being friendly with. So it's always good to keep a level of professionalism at all times, because you never know who you're interacting with. Because you could go there, and if you speak to the receptionist, I've seen it happen in previous employment where a person that's coming to interview was extremely rude to the receptionist, and the receptionist communicated that to the VP or the manager or the hiring manager that was going to be conducting the interview. And the receptionist communicated that, and that person wasn't even interviewed. That's how important it is for you to be careful with who you're talking to and how you're speaking to them. So I want you to be aware of that. And of course, if you're looking to make sure that you're ultra prepared for your next interview, you can definitely check out my audio series. It is called 7 Steps to Take on Your Next Interview Like a Boss, or something along those lines. You can definitely find that resource at mentorshelley.com/services/interview-help. I'm more than happy to also answer any additional, general questions in regards to careers, finding jobs, interviews, and more. All right, guys, take care. And of course, as always, if you have topics that you want me to talk about in the areas of careers and jobs and interviews and things of that nature, leave a comment below, or you can reach out to me directly at mentorshelley.com/contact, or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'm more than happy to return the voicemail or the email within 24 hours to let you know that your topic has been chosen. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one, and of course, be very mindful of the people you're around. That could be the key to your next opportunity. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one. Bye.